Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download and install banned games and applications on your Android device without any problems or issues whatsoever directly from Play Store. So once a game or application is banned from Play Store, it becomes invisible there. Now this ban can be implemented by your nation's government or by your state's government, doesn't matter. But once the game or application is banned, it becomes invisible on Play Store. But you can still access it and download, install it from certain third-party websites such as apkpure.com. So basically you can go on these websites, search for the banned game or application which you want to download and download them in .apk format or Android package format. Then turn on the unknown sources from the settings of your Android device and then install it. But this only works with offline based games and applications because online based games and applications know your phone's location. They know your Android device's location, guys. That's why if you'll use online based games and applications downloaded and installed from third party websites like apkpure.com, then they will know your phone's location. They will know that you are in a country where that particular game or application has been banned. So the access to that particular game or application would be restricted. But in this video, no such problem would come. You will be able to download banned games and applications which are online or offline, doesn't matter, from Play Store itself without any issues whatsoever for free. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So for doing this guys, you'll be required to open Play Store. And once you're inside Play Store, you need to install an application called Tunnel Bear VPN. This is a virtual private network or VPN application, and through this application you would be able to change the overall location of your Android device. So if you're in India, then you can change the overall location to US, Japan, etc. So once you have downloaded and installed it, you need to open it and create an account here, which I have already done. So once you have created an account here, you will get 500 megabytes of data per month. You can create multiple accounts from multiple devices to get more data, or you can buy its membership to get even more data, but you need to pay a price for it because obviously you are buying the membership. So once you have created an account, here you will get choices of multiple countries, and you can mark the location of your Android device, overall location of your Android device, by selecting any one of these countries. So I'm going to select Hong Kong here, and then it's going to connect to Hong Kong, and then the overall location of my Android device would be Hong Kong. So now it's not India, it's Hong Kong. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how it actually works. After you have done so, it will show VPN right here on the top of the screen of your Android device. Once it shows VPN, you need to open Play Store and then create a new account here, new Google account, or switch to another account if you have one. So I'm gonna switch to another account, and basically I'm gonna now search for a banned game or application. So in my country, India, recently a lot of Chinese applications have been banned. So I'm gonna see if I can access those Chinese applications, if they are visible or not on Play Store, and can I download them or not. So I'm gonna search for TikTok, which is a really famous platform, and as you can see, I can not only access TikTok, I can also download and install it on my Android device. So as you can see, it does indeed work, and you can do so with PUBG also. Sorry, wrong spelling. Yeah, as you can see, and Share It, which has also been banned. And you can download and install them, and since you're running the VPN, it's not going to restrict you from using it because your phone's overall location is currently Hong Kong, where all these applications aren't banned at all and they are fully accessible. So yeah guys, that's how it works. So that's pretty much it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye, I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace. Have a nice day ahead. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye for now.